Inforiver also delivers prepackaged formula. And you might have noticed it in some of our earlier webinars or videos, but I'm going to show it to you in detail for those who have never seen it in action. So if I go to the insert menu right here, you have something called a section for rows, and you have some section action items for columns. And let's say I want to insert some quick formula right here. So when I click on this, I can see things like running total, etc. I'm going to show you quickly how this works. So I just go and click on running total, and I want a running total based on the units field, and then I click on create, and then it gives me a running total, which also works when you have hierarchies, right? So let me go and hide this right now. So I have 1.81, and then it gets added up, and then it shows me the total for this section is 18.13, which shows up here, and it also appears here. Similarly, when I go to the next section, I see 3.37, and added to this, it's 7.12. I think I need to reduce the zoom a little bit because there is a third row here, which adds to 8.64, and the 8.64 added to 18.13 becomes 26.77, right? And again, the convenience of not having to do this, even though it's a very straightforward, you can create a quick measure using DAX for running totals, but it's just the convenience. And I can also go and do something called a contribution to immediate parent. Again, let me take the same units as reference. So basically what this tells me is home appliance is 67%. The contribution to the company is 67%. Similarly, washers and dryers, it contributes 10% to its immediate parent, which is home appliances. Pretty much 1.8 divided by 18, and you can see that. And there is also a quick formula for contribution to the grand total. Again, I'm going to choose it based on units. And what this tells me is 6.77%, which is 1.8 divided by 26.8, which is basically 6.7%. And this is how the formula engine works, right? It's a lot of this is encapsulated here. And but I can also do overall ranking, right? Let me do an overall ranking on units. So what overall ranking means is it's going to rank all the leaf nodes. So you see 1 here, and then you see 2, 3, and then 4 here. So it's going to give a ranking of everything. And I can also do a branch level ranking, right? Ranking within each group. So here when I go and add units again, and it's going to give me a ranking for this group separately. I have 1 to 8. Similarly, I have 1, 2, and 3. So each group is going to be ranked differently. So these are some of the ways in which you can implement quick formula.